Rishi Sunak wins race to become UK's first non-white Prime Minister. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Rishi Sunak has become the UK's new Prime Minister after winning the ruling Conservative Party's leadership contest, triggered by the dramatic resignation of Liz Truss last week. Sunak's win on Monday came days after Truss' resignation following the disastrous tax cuts plan and policies U-turn plunged the market into chaos. The unprecedented economic crisis grew as a rare convention from the Bank of England. He has been left with the task of steering a deeply divided country through an economic turndown set to leave millions of people poorer. Sunak, a former finance minister, will be Britain's first leader of colour and the first Hindu to take up the top job. At age 42, he'll also be the youngest Prime Minister in more than 200 years. The multimillionaire former hedge fund boss will now be expected to launch deep spending cuts to try to rebuild Britain's fiscal reputation, just as the country slides into recession dragged down by the surging cost of energy and food. He will also inherit a party that has been fractured along ideological lines and challenges that damaged the fortune of several former Conservative leaders. While there were rumors over Boris Johnson's comeback over the weekend, he pulled out of the contest on Sunday. Boris Johnson said late on Sunday that he had secured the backing of 102 legislatures and could have been back in Downing Street, but that he failed to persuade Sunak and other contenders to come together in the national interest. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.